Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So today this is going to be not a typical tech video, but this is some ideas that I have floating in my mind and just wanted to see if you guys had any input, thoughts on some of these ideas that I have for the channel, but also for my brand personal stuff as well. So the first thing is that I've been floating around is for the past few weeks. Right now, I've been thinking about maybe releasing some merch. Now, I don't know if you guys will be down for that stuff. Is it too early for me to be releasing merch stuff? So, like just t shirts, hats, and phone cases. Or maybe just phone cases right now, just for the iPhone. If for now. But yeah, it's some of the stuff that I've been floating around with, just to get, awareness for the channel as well, and just to have something different as well, other than just making videos as well here. So yeah, I've been floating around with the idea of maybe, like releasing some t-shirts, some hats, and some phone cases. So tell me guys in the comments below what you guys maybe will think about if I should release some merch right now, or like I said earlier, if it's too early and I should hold off, of course, until maybe my channel is a little bit bigger, and yeah, or should I just release it right now because I could take the risk right now, of course. Now I'm not gonna be like ordering like 2,000 t-shirts at once. Like I was gonna be like uh drop shipping, something a little bit safer where it's made to order. So like when there's an order, a t-shirt gets made and then it gets sent to you, the person who bought it. Instead of me having to buy in bulk. Of course, it will be cheaper for me if I buy in bulk and everything. But then again, if I don't sell any, then I'm stuck with 200 t-shirts in my place, which I don't want to have. So yeah, it's something that I've been floating around with an idea, just to launch like a little mini business aside with the channel, with just my own ideas. It's not gonna be branded like anything really related to the channel. It'll be mostly related to, it'll be like more motivational type of stuff, creative stuff, that type of brand. But also it'll be also like I will have a t-shirt design just for the channel as well, and like that you guys can, maybe if you guys want to support it, you guys can. But yeah, it's just really, it's just something, ideas that I have floating around my head, is to release some merch stuff. So yeah, tell me in the comments below what you guys think, if I should wait or should I not wait. I've been doing a lot of research about this topic. I've been like reading a lot of blogs, been reading a lot about this sort of information about like dropping merch and all that stuff. So yeah, tell me what you guys think. If you guys would be down for that, and if you guys or will not be down for that right now, if it's too early for me, or should I just wait and hold it off. So that's it for now, guys, and as always, I'll see you guys later. Peace.